Hi everyone, and today I'm doing a request video. A lot of you had requested about this video about how to remove suntan from the body, and here it is. Before I go ahead with the video, let me take this opportunity to thank all you guys because it really touches my heart when all of you appreciate it, and especially when people send me requests. It just shows that they really love my work and they really believe and have faith in whatever suggestions I will give and all of those things. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And yes, feel free to send your request. If you have any request, then you can send it. I will certainly do those videos. So let's go on with how to remove suntan. So let's understand what is suntan. Yes, suntan is caused when you go out in the sun, right? So when you go out in the sun, yes, the sun which gives out the very harmful UV rays. So when you are exposed to those UV rays, the melanin inside your body, the production of melanin, it increases in your body, and that causes sun tan. So it is very important that you prepare your skin before you go out in the sun. So for that, you need to wear a good sunscreen, and a good sunscreen is the one which has UVA and UVB both in it. Depends how much time you are going to spend out in the sun directly. So accordingly you can choose the quantity of the sunscreen. You must be knowing, when you see a pack of sunscreen, it will be written SPF 15, SPF 30, SPF 50. So that is the amount that you need to keep in mind, and also keep in mind the duration of your sun exposure. But also you should keep in mind that you just can't apply sunscreen and straight away go in the sun. You have to wait at least for half an hour and then go in the sun. So this is a precautionary thing. If you don't apply a good sunscreen, obviously you're going to get tan. So you skipped applying the sunscreen and straight away went into the sun, especially Indian summer, oh my god, and you are looking like a shade card. Don't you worry. So today I'm going to tell you very easy home remedies to get rid of the suntan. And these remedies are super easy because when it comes to skincare, and if I have to really prepare something out of things, I feel really lazy. So if you're also a lazy type like me who just can't prepare things, to pamper yourself, the creams and all is different, but if you have to prepare a pack or something, I mean, I tried doing it all my life, but it never ever gets successful because I feel so lazy to mix up all those different ingredients and then make a pack out of it. So today I'm going to tell you very simple items from your kitchen. All you have to do is get up from your chair and go into the kitchen and pick up the items that I'm going to tell you. But before I go ahead and tell you the items that is going to help you get rid of the suntan, let me tell you, looking beautiful or looking handsome is not easy. So you have to show some dedication and you have to go for it on a regular basis. So the first and the very common item from your kitchen is what? It's very sour, it's yellow. What is it? Yes, it is lemon. But if you have dry skin, do not apply lemon. But don't you worry, I have something for each one of you. As lemon has bleaching properties, it will lighten up your suntan from the very first time. But you have to keep doing this for 2-3 times a week. And the next item from your kitchen is a very common item, and it is there in each and every house, and that is yogurt. Yes. So you can use a packed can of yogurt, or you can also use the curd, the yogurt that you prepare at home. So yogurt, as you know, it is so soothing and it cools down your body when you eat it, but it also cools down when you apply it. So along with the cooling effect, it also reduces the redness and it also tightens up your pores. So if you have open pores, yogurt will slowly and steadily tighten up your pores. So you can apply yogurt directly on the suntan area, and you can also add little bit of tomato juice and little bit of lemon juice in your yogurt and make a paste out of it, and then you can apply it on the suntan. So the next item after yogurt which is good for suntan is aloe vera. So you can grow some aloe vera in your garden, or you can get a ready pack of aloe vera from the market. I really like this aloe vera gel from Patanjali. I've already reviewed this one. Aloe vera, it lightens up your skin. Yes, it lightens up your skin. So all you need to do is apply some aloe vera gel before going to sleep. So aloe vera gel, it not only lightens your skin, but it also cleanses and nourishes your skin. And it really moisturizes your skin like anything. It is super amazing. So I will also link down the video in which I have reviewed this one. So the next item is potato. Yes, don't get scared of potato if you don't like eating it for various reasons. All you need to do, firstly, the easy way, just slice it and apply it directly. But when you apply it directly, as potatoes, they are not really juicy, so it will be quite a task. So what you can do is you can chop some potatoes and then blend it. After blending, you'll get a potato paste. So you can apply that, and you have to keep that paste on the suntan area for 30 minutes. You can also add little bit of tomato and lemon juice in the potato paste, and keep doing it at least twice a week or at least once a week. So the next item is gram flour, which is also known as besan in Hindi. So take some besan, add some water into it. You can also add little bit of rose water into it and make a paste. The paste should not be very thick or very thin. So if you like to make face pack and body pack, so along with besan, water, rose water, you can also add tomato juice, lime juice, little bit of yogurt and little bit of turmeric. So besan not only helps you get rid of the suntan, but it also helps you get rid of the dead skin. So you can apply this besan or besan pack that I told you twice a week, and you will see amazing results. And if you keep doing it for few months, your skin will be amazing throughout the year. Next item is a very soothing item, and you love eating it during summers, and that is cucumber. Yes, so cucumber is also very helpful to get rid of the suntan. So you can slice cucumber and apply it directly. Next item is milk, and my mom really recommends it. So before you go and take shower, you can apply some milk. You can also add little bit of rose water if you don't like the smell of milk, or to make it seem fresh. So you can add little bit of rose water, and once it dries very quickly, and then you can take a shower. Next item is orange. Yes, you can take some orange juice and apply it on your face or your tanned area, and it really works well. Next is papaya. You can take some papaya and make a paste out of it and apply it on your suntan area, and you can see amazing results. So that's all for my kitchen secrets to get rid of the suntan. I have given you enough options to get rid of suntan, so no more excuses and no more bahanas, because you can choose your item, the item which you like the most, and you're going to see good results. So don't feel lazy and get rid of the suntan as soon as possible, because if you leave the suntan just as it is, it becomes very stubborn and it takes longer time to get rid of the suntan. So let me know in the comment section below which one worked for you, because everybody's skin is different. That's why I tried to give as many options as I could to you all. So let me know what really helped you, or besides all these items, if you have your own beauty secret to remove suntan, let me know in the comment section below. And like this kind of videos wherein I tell you home remedies, let me know which other home remedies you would like to know, and I will certainly do that video. So until next time, stay happy, stay beautiful, because life is beautiful.